Hello everyone, I'll be presenting our work preliminary experiments with transformer-based approaches to automatically inferring domain models from textbook. Domain model is an important aspect of computer-based instructional system and consists of all the aspects that a learner should master to be proficient in a particular domain. The important aspects of a domain could be knowledge component of that domain, relationships between them or misconception, and so on. For knowledge component extraction for computer science domain, we use textbook as a primary source of our domain model creation. As we can see, we used embedding-based ranking approaches for knowledge component. Specifically, we used BERT, CodeBERT, SciBERT, and LowBERTA to see if domain-specific transformer models such as CodeBERT or SciBERT have any advantage, given that they are trained on computer science domain. We used cosine similarity and maximum marginal relevance as our evaluation metric for the study. Our results suggest that we can use pre-trained transformer models for domain modeling. Even though models such as CodeBERT and SciBERT are trained on domain-specific data, they didn't show any advantage over BERT or RoBERTA. We also observed that using maximal marginal relevance could rank specific concept of a topic higher than the general concept.